Funnels can be fun and easy. A lot of people is like, oh, funnels. And I was too. And that's what actually got me into affiliate marketing, because I actually had a business that was e-commerce. And let me tell you, yeah, no. It was expensive. You have to waste tons of money on ads. And I did it for a year. I'm like, I'm out. But I was looking into funnels for that business. And then I was like, ooh, affiliate marketing. But they can be fun. They can be easy. All of the software almost these days is, drag and drop. And so it's fun kind of get in there and to learn it. Guide potential customers through the buyer's journey until they make a purchase. Now, my favorite thing that I use, and I heard this when I first got started, is McDonald's. You go to McDonald's, you're like, hey, I'd like a hamburger. Okay, would you like fries with that? Okay, by asking me if I would like fries with that, okay, there's a funnel. I have a hamburger. You want fries with that? Then they're like, oh, would you also like to add a beverage with that? Maybe a Coke product? Sure. You know what? You want to go ahead and biggie size that? I don't think they say that anymore. and make everything a large? Sure. McDonald's sends you through a funnel. I love that example. I hope you do too. Now, a funnel is designed, okay, to do this right here. You have traffic, and traffic is people. They're going to send you to a landing page, and then they're going to send you, then you're going to get them on your email list. So you're going to start off with, say, TikTok. TikTok's pretty easy to start off with. Or you could really like YouTube. And, I showed you just a while ago, there's actually more. There's Instagram and everything. I'm just not that great at Instagram, but a lot of people are. And then you take, you can even take videos and one video and you can put it on other platforms and stuff, make it go everywhere. But start off with one platform, get really good at that platform. Trust me. And the point is to get them to an opt-in list, which, is the landing page, and or a bridge and opt-in on the landing page. And then, you have a bridge page as an affiliate, and, you can do, this says sales page and upsells. You can do that later on, but I suggest you're just going to do a 2-page funnel, and I'll show you more about that in just a second. And then get them on your email list. I'm going to repeat that. And then get them on your email list. The best funnel, the easiest funnel, is a simple 2-step funnel. A funnel gives you your list. Your list is your email list. A funnel gets your traffic ready. If you're in a funnel and you're like, hey, you should learn this, that you're really going to be able to be successful. You could start making money online. You can make $500 in 3 days or something like that. And that's getting someone excited. It's getting your traffic ready for the next step. It creates awareness, interest, desire, action. Okay, I added this page here, so you can take a screenshot of it because it's really good, or you can come back. You can come back in the course. But it's awareness. This is the initial stage where potential customers are made aware of the product or service being promoted. Interest is once potential customers are aware of that product. The next stage is the general interest. So basically, if they're interested, they're going to go to that first step, and then they're going to keep on going. The desire. This stage, affiliates provide more in-depth information about the product to help potential customers understand its benefits and how it can solve their problems. The desire, like I make money online, desire to quit your 9-to-5, desire to make more money. Then action. The final stage is the actual purchase, that they do it. Okay, and I have 2 examples here. This is just an intro company, and I think I got these from Drop Funnels, and it's just some examples to show you. And you have a simple, the easiest, the most successful to me that I've done is the easiest landing pages to create. I've spent hours and hours and hours and hours and to make them beautiful, and then those usually don't convert. But here's 2 good examples. This in here, you just have, this is name, email list, this has number, and then you say get a quote. But getting insured today should be painless. So see, they're going for the pain. It should be painless. Come on. So that makes people want to do it, because it should be painless, because getting insurance is a pain in the butt. And then this in here is discover the 3-step system to get high-ticket marketing clients. Deliver incredible results and how to tap into our existing flow. It makes you want to discover the 3 steps. Which also leads me to, a lot of people say, I have 5 ways to do something, or in this 5-step system, or something like that. And that's a good headline that makes people like, ooh, what's this 5-step? And then they don't actually tell what it is until then they get into it. But that gets them in the funnel, gets their name, gets their email address, and it gets them to click that button, which is important. Tie it to emotion or lifestyle. Okay, tie it to, you can be like, I actually have, some people have like a car. Hey, I got this car because I was able to do this, or I was able to quit my job, or, look at my 6-pack abs. And that's tying someone to, emotion. You can get this. You can quit that 9 to 5. Live the laptop lifestyle, which I actually use that a lot. You're going to build curiosity, give confidence, builds excitement, captures emails. You're going to build the excitement. Hey, come check this out. Here, the example I was talking about a while ago was, the weight loss. If someone's like, ooh, you lost weight. Say someone lost weight in 5 weeks. They lost, I don't need to lose weight, 20 pounds in 5 weeks. That's going to make someone, ooh, should they lost 20 pounds, I can lose 20 pounds too. Makes sense? And you're building the excitement because they're getting excited. They're going to, and they wanted to get in this course. They wanted to follow Shelly. Shelly's going to help them learn to make money online, and she's going to help you do it and be straightforward and show you what you really need to know that the gurus won't tell you, and learn it the straight, easy way. I like that, don't you? And of course, don't forget, you have to capture their email address. Okay, here's 2 examples. These are older funnels I did. One was enjoy a no headache by saving yourself lots of time and money with the secret weapon. And I wanted to show you this too because, you should use your picture. You should use a video. But on this, see, I have this headline. You need to make your stuff sexy. Discover how you can take your online business to the next level with no headaches by saving yourself lots of time and money with the secret weapon. So I made this title a lot more sexier than this, which now that I'm reading it, it could be even more sexier. And then on this one, I had a video, and this one I had a picture. So, and this is too simple. And then it has, the name and the details here. On this one, for example, you could have put your picture here to tie it, because if someone goes and they land on your link, then, they see you, they're like, okay, you're Shelly. And a lot of people, I was promoting this one thing, and they really thought it was me, but then I didn't put my picture or a video or anything, on the front or, on the bridge page. And then they were like, well, I thought this course was going to be you, Shelly. And they didn't want it because it wasn't me. But if I could have brought them along my journey and had my picture there, they wouldn't have known I was tied to it. And, if you're in a course, usually they say, you can partner with them, because in a way you're partnering because you're sharing their stuff. So then you can be like, hey, I am partnering with this company. That's what I do. So remember, pictures and video are good. Now, sometimes if I have a video going to be in the affiliate link, I may not add a video because then they're going to be watching 2 videos, but sometimes I do. Just something to think about. And then you go to the bridge page or the landing page, and like the one, this one I had a video. And so you could do the video, and you could be like, because that's on one of mine. I'm like, hey, you really need to listen to my partner. He's really awesome. I've learned this. This has helped me. So maybe it can help you too. And then you click the link. Or you can just have a picture and tell about it. And usually, these 2 aren't good examples for this, but usually you can tell a little bit about yourself, or if it's you're promoting a program, how that program helped you. And maybe, I could talk about, I am a single mom. I have been able to do this for 5 years. I work from home. And then talk about how the program helps you. And you could usually they don't go into and read that, but you could have a lot of that stuff on the bridge page or the thank you page. And if you can't always remember, if anything, add yourself. And then right here, this is where you put your affiliate link. You wouldn't believe how many times I've been asked that. You put your link on the thank you page, or if you do a bridge page, that's where your link goes. And then once they click there, they're going to go to what it is that you're actually promoting. And a lot of times you can get information from what you're promoting, that company, to help put the information like your headline or some more information that you want. Just use their wordage and the stuff that they're talking about to, to help you sell it as well. How the product helped you, tell about the opportunity, and then click the button below. Go get it, go start it, go click the button below. So you tell about the opportunity, tell how it's going to help them, and then tell them how to get there by clicking the button. Are you getting anything out of this? All right, don't stop now. Keep up the momentum. Keep on going to the next one. You got this.